Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Confirm your Roku supports Bluetooth or you have the Roku mobile app as an alternative. Then power on the headset or speaker and enable its pairing mode. Once done, pick up the Roku remote and press home to open the main menu, navigate to settings, then to remotes and devices. This gets you directly to the device management area so you can add audio devices. Make sure your phone is on and nearby in case you use the Roku mobile app for audio casting. Now you pair. Choose Bluetooth devices or pair new device from remotes and devices. Roku will search and list nearby items. When the device name appears, select it and accept any prompts on the headset or TV. Pairing takes a few seconds. If the device fails to show, switch the accessory out of sleep and re-enable pairing mode. Alternatively, use the Roku mobile app. Open devices, then remote and devices, then Bluetooth to complete pairing from your phone. This ensures audio routes to the chosen accessory. Finish by testing audio. Play a clip and confirm sound comes from the paired device. Adjust volume on both the Roku and the accessory for balance. If audio is delayed or drops, unpair and repair the device to clear handshake issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the Roku and the Bluetooth accessory if pairing repeatedly fails. Once rebooted, re-enable pairing mode and try again. This simple reset resolves most connection conflicts and gets you back to watching with wireless sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.